The usage of disposable plasticware not only depletes fossil fuels but also causes microplastics pollution. Thus, thrust has been shifted to utilization of disposable plates made from plant leaves, which are renewable, biodegradable, and enriched with antioxidants and medicinal values. The leaf plates are environment-friendly, biodegradable, amenable for longer duration storage and can be easily disposed of. They are economical and don't require cleaning with phosphate-rich soaps and detergents, a time-taking, labor-intensive process. Thank you for watching.